and welcome to Shift Focus. The week has been absolutely packed with great events, and guess what? I'm not sparing a single minute because I'm dying to show you where I went and how much fun it was. So let's get down to the best entertainers. Sexy Little Miss 60 comes to town. And when barriers are broken, dreams come true. Put me in a shoe store and I'll go absolutely nuts. But then again, all of us shoe lovers don't shop for anything and everything. It's all about the quality comfort. Now, speaking of quality, here's presenting Miss 60. What was the fuss all about? Why was language the fashion destination for the evening? Well, how about we let Miss 60 do all the talking?
We are just showcasing Miss 60. We are showcasing a part of the Autumn-Winter 09 and the Spring-Summer 10 collection. We'll show a couple of boots and we'll show a couple of sandals. We've got a lot of new stuff coming in. And I think this is the latest in fashion in Europe, and you'll be able to see it now on the streets in Chennai.
Alrighty then. We're going to look forward to the fashion show now with all the glitz and the glamour. Miss 60 is a division of an international fashion company called 60. Based in Italy, leading the way with regard to quality and a solid foundation of 20 years in the fashion industry. Originally a denim label, Miss 60 established itself as a contemporary brand through vibrant lines of shoes, funky bags and accessories. Sanjeev, for all the viewers who don't know what Miss 60 is all about, could you tell us a little bit?
Miss 60 is a very, first of all, it is an Italian brand. And we say it is a premium brand for all those girls, those who are quirky, those who are fashionable. And awesome products you will find. And this is the largest imitable brand in the world. I mean, people, when the products go on the shelf, people try and imitate. This is the fan following for that. And if you see those styles, few of the styles which you see, it has a lot of youth in it. For example, we have used metal in front of those sandals and stilettos, and you won't find these kind of things in so many brands.
Innovative designs, glittering slinky models, a riot of exciting collections came together to offer a discerning audience the perfect fashion event on the ramp. Okay, I'd rather not speak to a man about this particular brand. So, from a woman's perspective, what is it? The quality, or is it the design, or is it just the feel-good factor of wearing Miss 60?
I think apart from the feel-good factor about wearing Miss 60, I think it's how you fit into it and the kind of satisfaction every product gives. So, irrespective with as we're talking about Miss 60 right now, and I do wear Miss 60 pants because they are the most amazing fit. And secondly, right now, I'm really amazed that Chennai actually has opened an outlet out here because it has recently opened in Bombay as well as the Palladium. So I'm quite amazed with the colors they've used and impressed with the bags. And I think this is one of my favorites since pink is my favorite color.
Miss 60's shoes worked its magic and kept everyone in the audience on their toes. Its luxury products comprise flashy colors, flamboyant graphics and design, and of course price tags that will make sure you burn a hole in your pocket. Iris, you're wearing one of my favorite colors, okay? And the shoes are perfect, the bag is perfect. How do you feel wearing Miss 60?
I feel complete.
Do you? Why is that?
I don't know, it's so comfortable and the colors are great and the basic colors, I can wear it in my everyday life, so yeah.
Okay. So do you think Chennai is going to respond to a brand like this? Do you think it's too expensive, or will it target only a certain select audience?
Obviously, Chennai is going to respond to it because Chennai is no village anymore. It's not a village, it's a big city and there are happening people here. Chennai rocks any days. I had come like 2 months back for Chennai Fashion Week and I could see that people rock here.
catering to the bold and the beautiful. This brand is bound to create a fashion combustion that will leave a permanent mark on the city of Chennai. I might have an obsessive compulsive disorder when it comes to shoes, but hello, I don't have a wallet that's overflowing with cash. Anyway, coming up on the show, lots and lots of shimmery and exciting elements at the Ampa Skywalk Mall.